Croatia. This is my first time. Okay, I was one time split, just vacation. But this is first time when I have a concert gig here. Thank you everybody for here. I fucking love it. One thing, when I was young, my favorite football country was Croatia. And Modrić still plays there, he's my favorite player. And I hope good luck for you, the football championship. I hope you win. Because Croatia, you are fucking crazy country.
Yeah, he's show guy, I know. I feel Croatian now. Now I'm part of your life.